Assalamualaikum, my English champs. How's everyone doing? Well, this is Sonia Rafiq, your tutor for today's lesson. Well, students, in our daily routine, there are certain English sentences we use again and again. Simple, yet super important. Things like what's the day today? What's the date today? Or when is your birthday? Or questions about special events like birthdays, anniversaries, or national days. So these are very common questions we ask almost every day, whether we are at work, in the office, at school, or even during formal conversations. So, students, in today's lesson, we will learn how to ask these questions correctly in English and how to answer them confidently in a natural, polite, and smart way. Trust me, students, once you learn these, you will sound more fluent and professional in your everyday conversations, no matter where you are. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. So, the first sentence that I have over here is, so how can you ask that आज कौन सा दिन है? What's the day today? Okay, so students, let me clear one thing that मैं अपनी वीडियो में ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश ही बोलूँगी, मैं पहले से ही क्लियर कर दूँ। उसका मकसद ये है कि आप इजीली इंग्लिश को अंडरस्टैंड करने के यूज टू हो जाएं, ठीक है। आपकी आदत बने इंग्लिश को अंडरस्टैंड करने की, बिकॉज जब आप इंग्लिश अंडरस्टैंड करने के काबिल हो जाएंगे ना, तो फिर आप इंग्लिश बोलने के भी काबिल हो जाएंगे। सो राइट, सो आई विल ट्राई टू यूज सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, ठीक है, ताकि आपको समझने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो। सो आज कौन सा दिन है? व्हाट्स द डे टुडे? और द अदर वे इज, ठीक है, किस तरह दूसरे तरीके में आप कह सकते हैं, व्हाट डे इज इट? What day is it? So you can use both ways. You can say what's the day, or even you can say what day is it? What day is it? Right? Kal kaun sa din tha? What was the day yesterday? What was the day yesterday? और आप इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, what day was yesterday? Right? What was the day yesterday? Or what day was yesterday? कल कौन सा दिन होगा? What will be the day tomorrow? Yeah, what is the day tomorrow? Yeah, what day is it tomorrow? What day is it tomorrow? So you can use these three sentences, ठीक है। It's up to your convenience, ठीक है, आप जिस तरह से भी comfortable हैं, जो भी sentence आपको ज़्यादा interesting लगता है, you can pick that, right? आज कौन सी तारीख है? What's the date today? Yeah, what date is it? What date is it? आज 3 नवंबर है। It's November the 3rd. It's November the 3rd. अभी इंशाल्लाह आगे वीडियो में मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि किस तरह डेट्स आप ब्रिटिश में और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में आप किस तरह डेट्स लिखेंगे, बिकॉज सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स दे गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड व्हेन जब लिखने का टाइम आता है, दे रियली गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड कि कहाँ पे कोमा लगाना है, डे पहले लिखना है, मंथ पहले आएगा। सो आज की वीडियो में हम ये कन्फ्यूजन भी क्लियर करेंगे कि हाउ टू राइट डेट्स इन बोथ इंग्लिश, ब्रिटिश एंड अमेरिकन इंग्लिश, राइट। सो हम वो फॉर्मेट भी आज देखेंगे। आज 3 नवंबर है, इट्स नवंबर द 3rd, और यू कैन से इट्स द 3rd ऑफ नवंबर। इसी तरह आप उसने फॉर्मल राइटिंग में भी लिख सकते हैं। कल कौन सी तारीख थी? व्हाट वाज द डेट यस्टरडे? पाकिस्तान में योम दफा किस तारीख को होता है? यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट स्पेशल इवेंट्स लाइक डिफेंस डे, बर्थडे पार्टीज। सो यू कैन से व्हाट डेट इज डिफेंस डे इन पाकिस्तान? व्हाट डेट इज डिफेंस डे इन पाकिस्तान? वैलेंटाइन डे किस तारीख को होता है? व्हाट डेट इज वैलेंटाइंस डे? इसकी सालगिरह किस तारीख को है? व्हाट डेट इज हिज बर्थडे? सो वी आर यूजिंग द सेम टेम्पलेट्स, द सेम फॉर्मूला, राइट? व्हाट डेट इज, राइट? इसकी सालगिरह किस दिन को है? व्हाट डेट इज हिज बर्थडे? एंड इफ दैट पर्सन इज गर्ल, यू विल से हर, राइट? व्हाट डे इज हर बर्थडे? तुम्हारी शादी की सालगिरह किस महीने में होती है? What month is your marriage anniversary? शादी की सालगिरह इज कॉल्ड मैरिज एनिवर्सरी इन इंग्लिश। आपका साले पैदाइश क्या है? What is your birth year? What is your birth year? वो दिन कितना ज़बरदस्त होगा? What a day that will be! What a day that will be! So this is how you can ask about days and dates. Hope it's clear to you. Now, students, let's understand how to write dates in British and American English. So many people get confused while writing dates. So now I will make it clear कि किस तरह से आप British में और American English में किस तरह से आप dates लिख सकते हैं. Okay, now let's talk about British English first. Well, in British English, the date format is, now listen carefully, students. In British format, we follow this formula, format, you can say, right? Like in British English, day comes first, then comes month, and then year. For example, 15 is the day. We will write it first, 15, and then comes month, April, and then year, 15 April 2012. Okay, so there are different ways to write dates in British English. You can write simply 15 April 2012, or you can say 15th April 2012. You can even say 15th April, comma 2012, or you can use slash, for example, 15 slash 04 slash, then year. So these are 5 ways I have, that are shown in to tell you that how can you write dates in British English. You can even use ordinal numbers, like you can say 1st January, 2nd May, 3rd June, 15th April. You can use any method, you are convenient with, or that suits you more. So you can use any method, any format, but always remember, in British English, you usually don't need a comma after the month, but it's sometimes used in formal writing, right? So you can write 15th April 2012, it's perfectly fine. But if you write 15th April, comma 2012, it's okay, right? Now let's talk about American English. Well, in American English, the date format is month comes first, then comes day, and then year. For example, they have written month first, April, then date, day, 15, and then they have used comma. Okay, you might have noticed that they have used comma in both ways. April 15, comma 2012, then they have just written APR 15, comma 2012. So these are 4 ways you can use to write dates in American English. But a very important thing, make sure you use a comma after the day when writing in full, informal writing. You can say April 15, comma 2012. So make sure to use comma after the day in American English. Similarly, July 4, comma 1776. So the British format is not used in American English. Obviously, they both are different. So here you can see, this is what I have already told you, that in British, what date format we follow, and in American English, what format we follow. So you can check it. Okay, I have already told you that in British English, day comes first, but in American English, month comes first. So this is the main point. Hope so it's clear to all of you. So students, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Yes, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updated videos. So thank you so much.